Attention passengers. The next stop is Washington Station. Doors open on the right. Transfer point to blue and red line trains at Washington. Next stop is Lake Park. Doors open on the left. Transfer to orange, green, pink, brown, blue, purple, dark black, light black, gray, gray spelled with an A, red, rose, maroon, dark red, scarlet, auburn, crimson, merlot, burgundy, darker red, deep red, darkest red, black red, white, and sorta red line transfers at Lake Park.
Excuse me, did he say Scarlet Line?
I think so.
Next stop is State Street. Transfer to Chartreuse, Periwinkle, Mahogany, Goldenrod, Cyan, Indigo, Mauve, Chestnut, Beige, Greige, Beige, Yellage, White Chocolate Age, Seafoam Green, Barbecue Sauce Brown, Eggplant Purple, Mac and Cheese Yellow, Hey, this mac and cheese is moldy green, and red line trains at State Street.
Some of those weren't even real colors.
Next stop is Grand Avenue.
I guess there's no transfers at Grand.
Next stop is Clark Street. Transfer to greenish blue, yellow pink, pinkish yellow, blackety black, vomit green, vomit blue, vomit red, that's never good, shit brown, shit yellow, shit yeah, shit my pants, poo-poo, pee-pee, fart, burp, body odor, trash juice, what's that smell, don't look at me, Clockwork Orange, Hunt for Red October, The Green Mile, The Color Purple, color not movie, The Color Purple, movie not color, Pirates of the Caribbean, The Curse of the Black Pearl, Fried Green Tomatoes, Jackie Brown, White Men Can't Jump, Men in Black 2, Blues Brothers 2, Legally Blonde 2, Red, White, and Blonde, The Green Mile 2, Electric Chair Boogaloo, coming soon, and Red Line trains at Clark.
Wait, why didn't the train stop?
Sorry, we missed the stop because there were so many colors. We'll come back around to Lake Park. Transfer to orange, green, pink, brown, blue, purple, dark black.
Ride the Metro Rail. We learned our colors.
Speeding through the night, Hobo Bill, a railroad bum, was fighting for his life.